My name is Guy. I had spinal fusion and disc replacement surgery with Dr. Implicito at the New Jersey Spinal Medicine and Surgery Center. I had a small incident where I slipped down a flight of steps, banged my back and my hip up a little bit. Started treatment with a chiropractor. In a short amount of time, the chiropractor realized that it wasn't something that he could deal with. And from there, I was recommended to see Dr. Implicito. I was told he was the man to see in Bergen County. After some examination, he sent me for an MRI. He sat me down and told me that I was going to need to have back surgery. Well, after being told I needed back surgery, of course I was nervous about it. Went home and spoke to my wife about it, came up with a list of questions. The doctor was very open to having me back in his office. They answered all the questions, really put me at ease. His office was fantastic. Anytime I came up with a question, 2 times a day I would call and they would get an answer for me or answer the question. We finally came to an agreement to schedule my surgery. So after my surgery, first set of eyes I saw was my wife's. Second person I saw was Dr. Implicito, which made me feel very comfortable. Went back to my room from the recovery room, and I was asked to get out of my wheelchair and walk to my bed, and I was very apprehensive. Hadn't walked without the aid of a walker or a cane in over a month and a half. And I got up on their instructions and walked to my bed and felt better than I had felt in many, many months. And within a month I was back to work. I was driving my own car for the first time in 3 months. Spring came and I was able to swing a golf club for the first time in a year and a half. And it's been nothing but uphill since then. I'm feeling fantastic. I would recommend Dr. Implicito, his practice, his office, to anyone who has a back injury and needs an orthopedic doctor.